Hi folks, it is Adrian aka Alice Hell, and today we're going to Boston Pizza.
Go!
So, the pizza, which was a small cheese pizza, that was really good. I like how it was golden crispy. The sauce, it's kind of on the sour side, but it's not totally like awful. Like it does go well with the rest of the ingredients in the thing. The cheese is absolutely amazing though. Like that's what won me over with this pizza was the cheese. It is so good, perfectly mixed. The yam fries were also really good. They came with a dip of some sort. I forgot the name of the dip. I know it, but I just forgot the name of it. But it was really good. They were definitely sweet. I mean, after all, it's from yam. Yams are just naturally sweet. The Dr. Pepper I drank with the meal was really good too. You can't really complain about Dr. Pepper. And as for the dessert, the chocolate explosion cake. Holy crap, that was amazing. I think, alright, so the chocolate, it's a very chocolatey cake. You can tell just by the name, Chocolate Explosion. It's a very chocolate-based cake. It's very good. If you don't like chocolate, this is going to be your worst nightmare. The almonds on the top, it has like little bits of cheesecake inside and the filling. It all tastes very good. I was surprised by how good cheesecake kind of meshes with chocolate cake. Like that I didn't expect. It also kind of has a bit of like an ice cream, like chocolate ice cream to it. Yeah, just overall it was a really good meal. I really can't complain, and if I were to give it a score, it would be a 4 out of 5 stars. Well, there you have it, folks. That was my review for Boston Pizza, and that's about it for today, and take care of yourselves gratefully.